Hi there. Today we are going to make a strawberry sundae. So basically with the strawberries here, and we'll cut those up into small pieces like this, and then we are going to line up the strawberries in this glass here, which I'll get started doing. So we'll line up the sides like this. Oops. We'll need something to fix it up. There we go. And of course you can put in as many as you want. You don't have to go all the way to the top, because you want to save some strawberries for the top as well. So we've got a good base there. Next we could put in some ice cream, and then we'll go from there. Well, okay, and then so after that you want to put in some ice cream. And you can put any kind of ice cream you want. Doesn't really matter on the company to flavor. Some people prefer some companies, some people prefer other companies. So once you've got your ice cream in there, then pull out whipped cream. Give it a good shake. On the top.
Come this over here.
Okay, and then roll like this, and you fill it up. And then what you could do on top of that, if you prefer, is take another strawberry, slice it up, you can put that on top as well. And there you go. Hopefully you guys like it, enjoy, and I'm sure it'll taste really good.